Texas Teas. It's your girl Treka, aka Texas Tea, and I am back with another banger. Guys, I am not a seafood person, but today I don't have a choice but to make the seafood the start of the show because that's what I had in my freezer. I did fry fish and shrimp for my family, but when I came home, I didn't want no fish and shrimp. I wanted some seafood. So I have king crab, I have beautiful black mussels, I have corn, potatoes, and I have sausage. Yes. So I'm going to bless my food and I'm going to get into this bad boy because I'm hungry. Amen. All right, y'all. And I do have a butter sauce. It's mine. It's my own original recipe. I'm not naming it nothing because I don't own the rights to nothing in this, but it's my butter sauce. But I am going to, I was going to put the butter sauce over the food, and I still might. Damn. My goodness. My goodness. Oh, I forgot. I put cheese in my sauce. Shh. How y'all doing? Happy Sunday evening. Look at that. I put cheese in mine. How y'all doing this evening? If y'all watching me at night, it's Sunday night, March the 3rd. Man, I worked all weekend, and I am tired. I am so freaking tired. Yes, look at that cheese, y'all. I love mussels. I'm going to try to eat slow because I can never finish my food. I don't know if that's going to matter, but I'm going to try. Yeah. I don't want that yet. I just had some left from before, so I was gonna give it to my man, but he ain't real big on it either. This right here. Was good. I have to eat before I'm not hungry anymore. That's onions and garlic. Oh God. That's good. I hope y'all had a great weekend. I love to open my potatoes, y'all, because I can't get nothing good if I don't open it. Mm. Mm. How was y'all weekend? I can't hear you. I worked the Mardi Gras in Galveston. I worked a whole lot of hours. I got home last night about 2:30 from working the Mardi Gras. I had to be to my church for 7:30 this morning. How you doing? Look at that sausage, y'all. That's beef, cheese, and jalapeno sausage. Beef, cheese, and jalapeno. Mm. Mm. Oh, this is so good. Look at that. Beef, cheese, and jalapeno. Mm. Mm. That's good. That is really good. And of course, any of y'all that follow me, y'all know that I'm full. Mm. This cheese sausage is amazing. Look at that. Mm. I can't eat that. That's a whole king crab, y'all. I can't eat it. I'm stuffed. I'm eating just a couple of more mussels and I'm taking my butt to bed. And my husband can eat the rest. Mm. And I hope I didn't disappoint y'all because I cannot eat a lot. And I don't want to get into no idle chit chat. Not today because everything that's in the news is so freaking depressing. I would put it out there, but it's dripping. It's so depressing. If we're not talking about R. Kelly, we talking about Jussie Smollett or Robert Kraft. Oh my God, I just went blank. And I followed the news with that guy who just testified against Donald Trump. Crap. I just went blank. I watched his entire congressional hearing. Yes, he has to go to jail. But I do like the fact that he put those things out there. And if any of you guys are Donald Trump fans, I'm so sorry for you. I have a right to my opinion. You guys have a right to yours. I don't have a 311 subscribers. So if you guys want to unsubscribe, I get it. But I'm not going to change the way I feel about the current person in charge. He is not a great person in charge. He should not be in charge. He's a racist. I'm an African American woman, and he is a racist. He's a misogynistic pig. But anyway, I digress. Excuse me. I just want to say thank you all to those of you who subscribe to my channel. Oh my God, I have 311 subs. I would really, really, really like to get to 500 by the end of March. So I thank you. If you clicked on, I thank you so much. I thank you so much. Thank you. I'm just a good old country girl from Galveston, Texas. Google it if you don't know where it is. And I just love everybody. I love people. I love sharing great food. I love sharing great recipes. Guys, I am really going to start my channel to where I am doing a lot of cooking because I am a home cook. I am a cop by profession, but I am a home cook by love. So I'm going to be doing some home cooking. So if there's anything that you guys would like to see me cook, please go ahead and put it in the comments below. But do me a favor real quick. If you still here, I pray you still here at 21 minutes and 12 seconds. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button. So again, my husband is going to be happy because y'all, I can't eat all this, but it's whatever. I was glad to do it with you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned for me tomorrow because tomorrow I am making my famous homemade spaghetti with smoked sausage. Boom. I don't use canned tomato paste, so get ready for it. No, I don't use canned tomato sauce. Excuse me. So get ready for it. So, again, I love you guys so much. Shout out to all of the creators that are doing their things. Shout out to everybody that support me. My girl D-Town Muck, that's my bestie in these YouTube streets. Jazz and Deb, they are my besties in these YouTube streets. Come on now. Come on. You guys follow me. I follow you. If I follow you, I need for you to follow me. Please. Until I see you again, be good to each other. Love your family. Kiss your kids. Make up with an old acquaintance because you never know when it's your last time. Treka, a.k.a. Texas T, signing off. Peace.